Welcome to the channel. In this video, we will see how we can download and install latest version of Python in Windows 11 operating system. So here in this video, I will install Python from the official website and I will not install from the Microsoft Store. And in order to do that, what I have to do is I have to remove the shortcut that the Microsoft has added between the Python and the Windows 11 operating system. To do that, we will click on this start button and we will search for manage app execution aliases, and then we will click on this system settings manage app execution aliases. Once we open up that one, in the bottom section we can find app installer python.exe, which is turned on. We have to make it off. And then app installer python3.exe, it is also on. We will make it off. After that, we can close this settings window. Now we can download and install Python from the official website. So I will open up the Edge browser, which is available in the Windows 11. And then in the URL section, I will enter the website address as python.org. And I will open up the website, which is the official website of Python. Now here we can find the downloads. If I take the cursor on that, then I can find the option to download the latest version of Python at the moment of this recording, which is 3.12.4. And if I click on this button, the latest version of Python will be installed. Depending on when you're watching this video, this version number will be different, but this installation process will be same. So I will click on that. The Python is now downloading. Now we will wait for this download to finish. Okay, now the Python has been downloaded. If I take the cursor on this downloaded file, then I see this folder icon. If I click on that, it will open up the folder where the downloaded files are saved, generally in the downloads folder. And here we can find the Python file that is downloaded. Now, in order to install Python, we just have to double click on this, and it will open up this setup window. And here, very important thing that we have to do, that is we have to check this use admin privileges when installing py.exe, and then we have to check this option which says add python.exe to path. So we have to check these two options, and then we can click on this install now. If it asks for the permission to install, then click on yes and provide the permission. Now it will install Python here. We will wait for this process to finish. Okay, now the setup was successful. We can close this, and I will close this folder and the browser that I have opened. Now we will click on the start button and we will search for Python. Now we can find the Python app and also the Python IDLE here. If we click on them, it will be opened up. And one more thing that I want to see here is whether the path environment variable has been updated with the Python path. In order to check that, we will click on the start button. We will search for cmd. We will open up the command prompt, and here we will type in python space -- version. We are trying to find out the version of Python that is installed in this computer. If I hit the enter button, it says Python and then the version number. If you get this message, then it means that you have done everything properly. Python is properly installed in your computer. If you don't see this message, if you see a message like Python is an unknown command or something like that, then it means that you have installed Python but not updated the path environment variable. What you can do is you can uninstall Python and then install the Python again. It's a better option than updating the Python path manually. So this is it guys for this particular video. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you don't like it, hit the dislike button. If you have anything to say, write that in the comment box. For more tutorials like this, subscribe to the channel.